Welcome to this week's Jesse Spec YouTube channel episode. I'm going to do something new. I'm going to start a series about cars that we put on the Dynapack dyno, make tiny little reviews of them, and give you an idea of what awesome sound these cars do when they're on our dyno. This is a Supercharged Ignis. Listen to this. This is my friend Didier. He brought over his car and look at the size of that supercharger in such a tiny little car. He's really passionate about Suzukis, and this is the first car he's bringing here after we changed the injectors and we put it on the dyno and we did some fine-tuning of the fuel tables, and now we're getting her ready to start a few runs on the dyno. Enjoy the engine sound. Let's get a little shot from the back as well. The noise is amazing. That was a nice little run. Okay, let's look at some figures here. So we see that the engine developed 162 horsepower roughly for 169 Newton meters. This figure is given with a TC factor, or a transmission loss factor, of 18%, which is pretty known to be a standard in the industry. That corresponds to 137 horsepower at the hubs. All right, that was it for the little video of this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure to drop a comment below. I answer every single one of them. And of course, always thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.